States of India and their capital. In 1956, India was divided into states depending on the languages. For example, Kerala state for Malayalam speaking people, Gujarat for Gujarati speaking people. State was divided in the region where British people ruled. Union territories was formed in the places where French or Portuguese ruled. For example, Tamil Nadu was ruled by British people, so it is come under states. Pondicherry was ruled by French, so it comes under Union territory. State will have Independence Day on 15th August. Union territories will have Independence Day when they got independence. They got independence after state has got it. Pondicherry got independence from French on 1st November 1954. Tamil Nadu got independence from British on 15th August 1947. State and their capital. Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa was ruled by Portuguese. It got independence on 19 December 1961 when Jawaharlal Nehru was president. So it comes under Union territories. Now it is under, at present, now Goa is a state. Capital of Goa is Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital of two states, Haryana and Punjab. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals, Jammu at winter and Srinagar at summer, due to climatic conditions. Jammu at winter and Srinagar at summer due to climatic conditions. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru, largest coffee producer in India. Karnataka, largest coffee producer state in India, capital is Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, situated in the middle of the India, capital is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh, situated in the middle of the India, capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Mumbai is the third biggest city in India. Mumbai is the first polluted city in India. Most polluted city in India. Manipur, Impal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. The Sun Temple in Odisha is very famous. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, wheat producer of India. Largest wheat producer in India is capital is Chandigarh. Punjab, capital is Chandigarh. Rajasthan, famous for Kalamkari art and Kalamkari sarees. Capital is Jaipur. Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Sikkim, the smallest state in India before Union Territories was formed into states. Its capital is Gangtok. Sikkim, Gangtok. Sikkim is surrounded by Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, China, Tibet, and India. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Chennai is the fourth biggest city in India. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Chennai is the fourth biggest city in India. Telangana, Hyderabad. Telangana, Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh was the biggest state in South India before it was divided into two states at present called Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Tripura, Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Uttar Pradesh was the very biggest state in India before it was divided into two, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand. Dehradun. Uttarakhand, Dehradun. West Bengal, Kolkata. Kolkata is the biggest city in India. It is when British people ruled India, Kolkata was the capital of India. After India got independence, Delhi became the capital of India. New Delhi is the second biggest city in India. West Bengal, Kolkata. Kolkata is the dirtiest city in India. Bye bye. See you. Please like, subscribe, click the bell icon and share it.